Hello everyone, Cassandra Good coming to you live from my home office here in Albany, Georgia. And ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk to you about IPA. IPA. What does IPA stand for? IPA is income producing activities. Income producing activities. Now, many of you all know already. If you haven't, this is your first time coming across my channel, and this is the first video that you've landed on. Great. Thank you for being here. But I want to let you know what IPA is. You know that I've been in Livegood for quite some time now. Started back in December, and it is moving at an alarming rate. And I'm so thankful for it. And the reason why I'm finding the success, and many other leaders are finding success with working with Livegood, is simply because we do IPAs every single day. We do income producing activities every single day. We're building the business. We're choosing certain platforms that we're most familiar with, that our audience knows us, they trust us, and they understand that when we give them information that they can bank on it. So what is your IPA? If you're in a business right now, if you haven't stepped into Livegood or any other business, what is your IPA? What's your daily routine? And if you don't have a daily routine of IPAs, then you might not be doing as well as you would like to in any of your chosen businesses. But I want to talk about Livegood and why IPAs is so simplified with Livegood. Because you see, when you have several different skill sets and several different platforms that you know how to work with the algorithm, you are going to find success. You're going to be able to build the Livegood business at an alarming rate, steady, consistently, and at a rate that you can duplicate, or you can show somebody how to duplicate exactly what you're doing, even if they're not using the same type of platforms. But you can share with them your routine of how you get your IPAs done on a daily basis. Now, for me, my IPAs take me maybe about 2 to 3 hours a day, and that's only because I love what I do, okay? And that's a condition right there, number one. When you're doing your IPAs, you need to choose a platform that you do not mind relentlessly getting up every single day and doing it, putting in the work and putting out the value so that people can understand that this is the platform that they need to take part in. Now, we all know that 2023 started off in such a kind of a shaky way. A lot of stuff came out in the news. We have countries that are at war with one another right now. And I'm going to tell you, it hasn't been the best of the best to listen to, especially if you're flicking through the channels and watching the news. So I'm not going to kid you. I prefer not to watch the news because I like to keep my vibrations high. And when I'm actually doing my IPAs every single day, I want to be able to give not only value, but I want to be able to give a confident and a positive, upbeat tempo and tone to the people that I'm speaking to on a regular basis when it comes to Livegood. See, it's more to it than just having good health. Good health starts with your mindset too. And so when you're doing your IPAs every single day, you want to make sure that your mindset is sharp. You want to make sure that when you're reaching out to people and you're sharing the value that Livegood has, not only just in the product section of it, but also in the wealth generation section of it, you want to make sure that people are not talking to a doubting Debbie or a downer Debbie or downer Dave or doubting Dave. So you want to make sure at all times when you're doing your income producing activities that your mindset is where it needs to be, because people can feel that. People can understand when there's something that's going on. They can feel it just a little bit. And if you don't have that confidence, if you don't have that income producing awareness of activity that you're actually sharing out there, guess what? People can pick up on it and they can tell something's just not right. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, Livegood, everything is right. The price point is right. The compensation plan is right. And not only that, the excellent products with the ingredients we have is right. So make sure that every single day that you're choosing income producing activity that you are passionate about. Because like I said, people can hear that. They can tell it in your posture. Your posture will tell you about your tone, okay? Sit up straight. Get up. Stand up. Every single day, go out there and know that no matter what, that you're delivering content, you're delivering a product and or service that will actually have people winning. And that's what Livegood is doing. So remember, income producing activities, if you're not doing them every single day, how can you expect to win with Livegood or any other opportunity at that case? You can't. And I'm not saying this in a bad way, but I need everybody to understand that something has to be done on a daily and consistent basis in order for you to be successful in Livegood or any other business, okay? So while you see other people scrolling through, they're looking at your stories, they're looking at your content on your pages, whether it's IG, whether it's Pinterest, whether it's Facebook, whether it's Twitter, whether it's LinkedIn, whether it's Quora, whether it's forum groups, or maybe even your own website itself. Make sure that you're providing content that people will feel great about, because that income producing activity will land you good people, and you want to be attracted to good people. You want to be attracting people that are interested in what you have and what you're sharing, and not only that, you want them to feel great about it. And that is the most important thing right there. People need to feel great about the business that they're actually in. And when they do, it shows. It shines right off of them. You can hear it in their throat. You can hear it when you're listening to them, when they talk about it. And you're talking to a person and they have passion about something, that right there lets you know that their income producing activity is winning, because they're doing it every single day and they're sharing with the masses something that they're passionate about, and they're going to give you the best support on top of everything else. Now, I'm going to tell you something. I'm big on support. I cannot tell you how I have seen so many people in this industry lose out because they chose not to. And I'm using the word chose because we can make choices in our life. They chose not to be the support that people need in this industry. And I'm going to tell you, you have to be supportive in this industry. You want to make sure not only just putting the energy out there with your income producing activities, but you want to make sure when you do your follow-ups that people are getting the best support that they can so that they too can win. So definitely, if you have not joined Livegood, I don't know why you haven't, but if you have not joined Livegood yet and you've been looking at it, you've been sitting on the fence, you're trying to figure out whether I go to the left, to the right, maybe I'll just sit on it and see where it goes. Are they really going to reach 1 million? I assure you, I do believe that's what's going to be happening. We're going to go past that, matter of fact, because as other companies that are in the nutritional field, as those people, as those reps realize, I'm not making a dime. Do I have the best product? Can I actually duplicate what I'm doing over here? And once they realize that the clear answer is no, let me switch gears, let me reset. And let me tell you something, there's nothing wrong with resetting. It's just you trying to make sure that you're doing what is best for you. The definition of insanity is continuous to do the same thing over and over and over again, but you're expecting a different result. Well, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? People are tired of doing the same thing over and over and over again, and the result remains the same. Now it's time to reset, reboot, and start anew. Okay? So definitely click the link below. I'd love to have you on our team here at Livegood. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Love to have you. And definitely hit that notification bell. We want you to know each time I upload a video so that not only will you be notified, but you will not miss any videos on this channel. Okay? Click the link below and also find out exactly what I've been using to actually bring more people into the Livegood opportunity that is highly targeted and lovable. So ladies and gentlemen, have a great one. I'll speak to you soon, and bye for now.